Good morning, wonderful, beautiful Pastor Terry, honey, and your beautiful, wonderful team, Women of Substance team. Congratulations on 14 years of ministry in this particular line for us women. I just want to share a little bit of my history with Pastor Terry. I have been so privileged over the years I actually got to know a little bit before the time through another ministry, but oh my word, I was so blessed to have met her, and in this process we've become friends, fellow collaborators on different projects over the years in our ministries, giving each other platforms of opening up doors for each other, meeting new people. I must just say thank you, Pastor Terry, for being the amazing woman that you are, that you've given us so many opportunities to grow, the investment, there's a word that I wanted to actually use specifically now, is that you relentlessly have stuck to being true to the calling on your life, which has been for the love of women and their well-being and who they are and who they're to become. So I just want to congratulate you, and may the Lord just continuously use you mightily in everything that you do from this day onwards, that you will go from success to success, from glory to glory, from strength to strength, and that you're continuously inspiring and investing in all the women that you have walked a road with and those to come. And may your ministry just grow supernaturally in this time. Even though we're going through unprecedented times, your voice is still to be heard, and you will still have an influence. And just may God just give you the strength and the wisdom and the knowledge how to continue inspiring women and building them up and giving them hope and giving them dignity and giving them their self-worth. So, Women of Substance, happy birthday. Happy birthday, and many, 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 many more years to come. And may you be able to hand over to a strong team the baton in time to come, that Women in Substance will always be a point of influence on women's lives. Thank you for including me on this journey, and appreciate you and love you much. Thank you, my sister. God bless you and your team.